Hey guys, Dylan Springfield here with your weekly product update. So this is my first video and I just kind of wanted to give you all a brief history on who I am and what I do within Stealth. So once again, I'm Dylan Springfield. I'm the Western Product Specialist for Stealth Products. What that means is I head up a lot of the education and a lot of the VA sales throughout the western half of the country. Today will be a continuation of the last video. We're going to be discussing some of the programmability features that the Chin Boom has to offer. Throughout a lot of my experiences within the VAs, I've been able to work with this Chin Boom very intimately, and I'm really excited to show you all the details it has. Today we're going to be showing the product off on the Quantum Edge 2.0 with eye level and the new ADI-Q back. This is the unit that we'll be talking about. Within the unit, we've got plenty of different adjustments to precisely target the joystick at the client's lip, chin, or jaw. As you can see, with an array of metric T-handles, we can go in and adjust a series of set screws to bring that arm in or out. We can also adjust set screws at the joystick to get a rotational adjustment. This allows for precise targeting for ultimate controlled driving. You'll find that throughout the entire Movis line, there's a degree of programmability within every single product they offer. Nothing changes with this Chin Boom. There's all kinds of different features we can access through the onboard programmability that Movis offers, and we'll be touching on some of those features, including degree of swing, the way the swing works, what switches are available, and rate of swing. As far as switches go, the boom can be activated by any mechanical switch or any proximity switch by utilizing the iConnect product from Stealth Products. As you can see, the power Chin Boom can swing all the way out to 180 degrees. This can be programmed to go all the way down to the client's preferences. A real popular degree of swing that I like to use is 45 degrees. That allows that arm to swing just out of the way of the face of the client so he can communicate, eat, take a drink, or even have his child sit in his lap. Or it can be opened all the way out to 180 as we see here, for getting through doorways with a pendant, whatever use we find that for. Another thing that can be programmed is that rate of swing. So as we're working the arm, if we don't want to drag on like we are now, we can speed that up and get it out of the way quicker for the client, or slow it down to give more control. And the last feature we can program is the way that this switch works for the client. So we can set this to a latch, so with a single click, that arm swings out the full program degree, or a toggle feature. So as we hold it, the arm swings out, and when we stop, it switches directions. One final feature that I really want to line out, and I think is a great asset for a lot of folks in the field, is through the Chin Boom programming, we can actually take one single switch and give it 3 different commands. We do this by utilizing a stereo cable splitter. So the way this works is basically we could program to give this switch on-off capabilities with just a click. With a hold, we can now activate our boom, and with a double click, cycle through our modes. Alright, so this is just kind of a brief overview of some of the programmability that the Movis Chin Boom offers. I did want to show you where we hook up to the ability features, and we will be offering more videos down the line to get a little more in depth with those features. So just like our iDrive system, we go in through a USB, mini USB port right here at the bottom of the Chin Boom unit. The way we're able to access these 3 commands through just one mechanical switch is by taking our switch, mounting it into the input jack on our motor, and now with the electronics and the programming in the motor, we'll be taking our stereo splitter and putting this into the output. By utilizing that technology, we've now gained power and mode. The next step would be to take 2 extender cables, mount those directly into our splitter here, follow those down into our Movis joystick box, into our power, into our mode jacks. Now these will be transferred through this box, down our cable. Our mode is accessed through the 9-pin, which plugs directly into the chair electronics. And then our power, which is a mono jack on the end of the 9-pin, is plugged into yet another extender, which is then led down into the chair joystick or enhanced display.